Hello traders, before we get started, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Alright, I'm now on the MQL5 Marketplace page for the Darwin Evolution EA. From what I can see right away, this is an expert advisor developed by Guillaume Duportal, and it is priced at 999 US dollars, currently listed as a discounted promotion from the original price based on what we can see here, right? So it shows version 2.45 updated on 25th March 2025 with 5 activations available. One important thing I have to mention is that this expert advisor supports both MT4 and MT5. So if you are using the MetaTrader 4 platform, you just have to search for the MetaTrader 4 version. All right. If you're using for the MetaTrader 5 platform, you just have to search for the MetaTrader 5 platform. But I'll be reviewing the MetaTrader 5 platform in this video. I mean the MetaTrader 5 version in this video. Scrolling through the page, the developer positions this EA as something closer to a manual trading approach rather than a fast automated scalper. It is described as a long-term system that can sometimes stay inactive for extended periods, waiting for specific market opportunities, and then hold trades for days or even weeks, depending on conditions. There is also mention that it operates across multiple currency pairs at the same time, specifically up to 28 pairs, which suggests a multi-symbol trading structure rather than a single chart strategy. Now, looking at the feature breakdown, the EA integrates more than 8 indicators and filters, which are used to guide trade decisions across different market conditions. It also includes several trade management tools like trailing stops, time-based exits, profit-based exits, and indicator-based closures. So instead of relying on one fixed exit method, it adapts based on different conditions. It also highlights capital protection features, including risk management controls and exposure handling, which are designed to manage drawdown and overall account stability during trading cycles. Another key point here is the news filter system, which includes trading pauses before and after high impact events, and even separate handling for major announcements like central bank events. That is positioned as part of its risk control structure. Now, moving into the backtesting discussion, the developer clearly states that real backtesting is not fully possible for this EA in MT5, mainly due to limitations around tick data accuracy, news filter simulation, and the fact that parts of the system cannot be fully replicated in the strategy tester. Instead of relying on traditional backtests, they reference live signals and real account performance links, which are meant to give a more realistic view of how the EA behaves in actual market conditions. So when reviewing performance here, I'm mainly looking at historical behavior from the demo environment rather than simulated testing. Let's just see what we have here. Okay, so this seems to be, it might be from demo or live environments. However, this images shown here seems to be the profits made from the EA over several years. All right. Whatever the case may be, whether they are actually the real profits made or not, we're just going to still head over to our strategy tester to test the expert advisor regardless. So we are testing the Darwin Evolution on Euro USD on the M1 time frame as recommended, and we are going to be running the test over the past 5 months, basically the recent price activity, which we are starting from this year, 1st January 2026 till date. And as for the delays, we are using the last ping to the server, and we are using the every tick modeling. So from what I can see here, initial deposit is $100,000. Total net profit is negative 16,603.6. The total trades taken were 5,996. Short trades were 2,635 with a 35.45% win rate. And long trades were 3,361 with a 32.4% win rate. The largest profit was $82.6, largest loss $109.4, average profit $6.51, average loss $7.5. So this tells me that the risk to reward ratio is not good enough and the win rate is quite low. So when you put those two side by side, I'm not surprised to see a negative total net profit of over 16% of the balance. So the system appears designed to hold trades over longer periods and manage exposure over, or rather across multiple pairs rather than reacting frequently like a scalper. And from a strategy perspective, what stands out visually and conceptually is the combination of multi-pair exposure and longer trade duration. The EA seems built to stay patient in the market, sometimes sitting in drawdown or floating positions before managing exits through its internal filters and risk controls. The trade management logic appears heavily dependent on conditions like time, profit thresholds, and indicator signals rather than a single fixed rule, which is why performance can vary significantly depending on market structure and settings used. So when it comes to results, it is important to treat everything here as historical performance from over the past duration of the back testing, all right, and not guaranteed outcomes. So results can still vary based on broker conditions, spreads, execution speed, and how risk settings are configured by the user. Personally, this is the type of EA where I would strongly recommend testing on a demo account first, especially because it operates across multiple pairs and holds trades for extended periods. Understanding how it behaves in different market phases is really important before considering anything live. Overall, the Darwin Evolution EA presents itself as a long-term multi-pair trading system with heavy emphasis on risk management and adaptive trade control, rather than short-term scalping or high-frequency execution. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.